Hey folks, Steve here. I recently bought the DJI Mavic Mini Fly More combo, so I thought I would show you exactly what comes in the box in case you are interested in doing the same. The Fly More combo comes with a nice compact little box where everything's stored inside. Comes with various cords for whichever smartphone you're using, and it also comes with indoor propeller guards if you want to fly inside. Inside the box, everything's neatly packaged. You have your Mavic Mini drone, you have your batteries and charger, and you have your remote controller. The Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. The batteries are small and they do not weigh much, and they give you close to 30 minutes of flight time. The remote controller is also small and compact. Your smartphone slides right in there. A cord slides into your power port on your smartphone. In my case, I use an iPhone, and it has the 2 joysticks. Very lightweight, small, and convenient, and fast to set up as well. And of course, the Mavic Mini drone itself, which folds out. It's a great little drone. You do not have to have any kind of licensing or register this drone to fly it. It's a lot of fun. Takes awesome video. And that's it. That is what is in the Mavic Mini Fly More combo. The only thing not pictured is the charging cord, which I have that in another location. But it's a lot of fun to fly this drone. If you're thinking about getting into the hobby, I recommend so. I didn't want to take up all your time. Like other YouTubers would take 23 minutes to explain this, but you just want to see what's in the box. And there you go. I'm Steve. I'll see you again real soon in the next video.